Good morning, welcome back to the channel. We've been waiting for this day for a while and we're super excited to announce our new product line into the A90 Supra. Let's take a look. All right, so let's take a look. So these are the new dual caliper brackets. This isn't really like how our old ones used to look because the new Toyota does not actually use your traditional handbrake and e-brake. It's actually a second piston at the back of the single caliper that engages the pads to hold the parking brakes. So this is our new style, which we're going to now show you how to install.
Sweet. Building motor on the corner.
Yeah, Mike's building a motor. He's doing fancy thing. I guess we can go check out that too. What part are you at now?
I got a RTV to girdle in.
RTV to girdle.
So basically this is a girdle to stabilize the main caps. Maybe needed, maybe not, I don't know. It's mods.
Buy once, cry once.
Mods. It's more mods, every mod.
Just every mod in the book.
Yeah, but this is a cool mod for the Supra guys. I can't wait for this to be available. I mean, it's like, they're in production right now. This is like the production sample. So
The first one.
this is the fully updated version. Thank you TJ for testing it.
Yeah, I was gonna say you guys might have seen these before. TJ Hunt did an install on these on his Supra. Adam LZ has them on his Supra.
Yeah. Well, Adam hasn't used them yet, but
He's got them.
yeah, it's got him. I told him his car's broke apparently, so
Nothing new.
Yeah. But sweet, let's do this.
Yeah, should be quick and easy. We just
Yeah.
gotta.
It really is.
I don't even have to do a lot.
No, this is.
I guess the only thing we gotta just is take off the dust shield. It's gonna be literally the longest thing. Everything else is just two bolts. Yeah.
Let's do it.
All right, let's get into it. So what's nice about these dust shields is it's not like BMW e-brakes where everything's integrated into one. You can easily just access these bolts when you take the rotor off. So this is like a 5-second step compared to like a full job. And upside, you still get to keep an e-brake. So because you're daily driving and hydroing, all right, so how this bracket works is we reutilize this nut and we change out this bolt. And so what's gonna happen is this is gonna sit right like this. Your bottom toe link is gonna go right through the hole. And this is gonna be pressed up against the knuckle. And then this bolt is then gonna thread into this part of the caliper. So the whole thing's gonna sit here. Everything is chamfered and filet mignon for the sway bar end link as well as wheel speed sensor. So we'll take those two things out and toss this in. Oh, it's always splendid. And another nice thing about this is because all of the alignment adjustments are on the inside, you can throw this on and it's not going to change your alignment at all. So
Look how clean this thing is.
I know
great.
this is what happens when you work on a car with
Like we're kind of brand new
600
car.
mile. I don't even know. Has he hit 1,000 miles yet?
I don't know. Thank you, Randy.
Thanks, Randy. Manual Supra Life.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a 23? Yeah, I think this is a 23 manual A90. It's got like basically break-in miles. And that's about it. I love this blue. Absolutely fantastic color.
Also, Supra has the best factory wheels. That is a factory wheel. Insane.
That is true. It's like
I expect that from Rays. You know what I mean? Like,
yeah. I wonder if they did partner with someone cool to make them, or if they just did a good job themselves. But yeah, basically it's like not a black, but a blue hue in it. So they look sweet. All right, I'll set you guys down. Toss this on. All right, try to stick you way in here, but you can see around the corner, kind of. Where's the light? You can do this. Yep. Oh, and there's, oh, wrong way. I got this. Yep. Clearance to the sway bar. Your ABS line is still got plenty of wiggle room. Nothing, no issues there.
You hold it?
Yeah, hold the light. I don't know.
All right.
We're all over the place. Take two. Nice clearance to the sway bar. See that? Get some fingers in there. And ABS line. It's nice and tucked out of the way. Nothing's crimped. And we're looking good. Now let's just put on the caliper.
Yeah, wow, everything fits so nice. I love
Looks
it.
good in there.
I love it. Love it. Let me get some
Product switch. All right, so we popped the rotor on, and a trick for this is if you put this screw in just one rotation, you can still wiggle the rotor. And what this will allow you to do is get the two bolts enough room to go through the caliper and into the bracket. So it does bolt this way. You can either do that, or you could just put the caliper on the bracket before you, and then attach it. Or another way you can do it is you can put the caliper on the bracket, and then you can still obviously get to your top bolt and your bottom bolt with the rotor on. So it doesn't matter which way you want to go about it, but you're officially ready to drift your manual A90.
grip it, rip it.
Grip it, rip it. So now you obviously just do the other side the same, and then you route your lines to your hydro. We are going to work on a hydro bracket for this, but we just don't have one at the moment. TJ has a nice video on how he did his, so I'd recommend if people want to do it, just watch that video and copy what he did basically, because he's keeping a decent amount of his interior. So all right, I guess want to go grab that drive shaft.
Oh yeah, let's show you the Supra drive shaft.
So we have all of our single piece drive shafts for all our BMWs and stuff. So we just finished making one for this. That's also on TJ's car. Everything was sweet. Randy is not allowing us to put the drive shaft in his car yet. We're gonna get him, don't worry. But we'll show you how everything works and what all the products look like that come with it. So single piece drive shafts are always just a great upgrade. The B58 makes ignorant power. And if you are going to be abusing these, then getting rid of all that rubber in the driveline really helps make it more snappy and just better all around. And it can hold way more power, so.
All right.
Let's see Mike's shaft.
So we got the big 3.5 inch aluminum with the giant slip shaft, which makes it stronger than everything else, which is this thing, the giant slip. I'll bring over the piece we have to display.
Yeah, we'll get the display piece
We
as
got
well.
the two adapters, you know, so you can go one on the diff, one on the transmission, delete all the rubber gibos. We're solid now, ready for clutch kicks.
Ding ding. Who's here? Is that Ryan? Hello? Thank you. Amazon. All right, let's see what you got.
So because the transmission and the diff don't have like a yoke, like a spline for a yoke to slip on it, for a slip yoke, hence the name, we have to put a slip so the drive shaft can move a little bit between the drive shaft and between the transmission and the differential. When you use like a 3-inch steel, it's very small. It's about this big. We use this big aluminum shaft because we get to use this giant slip. This slip is like what they use in giant trucks and stuff like that. And then we mill down the end to fit a 3.5 inch shaft. And that's why our shafts are so damn strong. So we're bringing that to the Supra. It's been a great success on like all the BMWs, and we all know this is basically Toyota BMW type thing. It's a BMW. So
yeah, all the arms
it's just more the
have
same.
BMW
Yeah.
stamps on it, but
it's right up our alley. And
Yeah.
we'll have that on the website soon.
yeah, we're gonna have a lot of products coming out for the Supra, especially now that Randy's letting us test fit on his car. We appreciate it.
Yeah.
But all right, let's get this buttoned up on the ground and take some swick pics. So stock. the table. Okay, hold on, let me get him back. Cut. Yeah, you're good. Does this thing have a backup camera? Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. You got like 4 feet. Probably leave it there. Maybe do you want to take some pictures and stuff with your iPhone for like Instagram and shit? All right, so I think we're gonna wrap up the Supra video there. It's been super nice this week, so I've actually been able to daily the E82, which I do love being able to get this thing out. I forget how comfortable it is not all the time, and look at my sweet parking brake right there. She's a perma neutral, but yeah, always nice to get it out. And tomorrow, this is getting the billet DCT pan. I gotta pull axles out to measure for G-force. They're making their axles for the F80 now. Look at this. Oh, we can't even see them on camera. God damn it, I've had freaking hornets all around this thing today. I saw like 3 in the mirror. I don't really know what's happening, but yeah, so tomorrow we'll get this in and we'll show you guys the DCT billet pans and we'll measure for axles. So until next time, take care, peace.